my God. Tell me.
Oh God.
Oh!
That was not good. Hopefully nobody was in the semi.
Bam. Bam. Holy smokes. Wow. Holy.
Som genom ett under skadades inte den här lastbilschauffören.
I can't believe this actually happening.
It looks as if the truck is in the clear, but the line of cars backed up at the traffic light forces it to stop as a 118-car freight train bears down.
Miles an hour. The trailer is sheared off and pulverized.
Wow! Holy crap! Shit!
Thanks for watching. If you haven't already done so, hit the subscribe button and be sure to turn the notifications on so you can be alerted every time a new video like this one is published. If you liked the video, be sure to hit the like button and leave a comment down below. Whereas if you didn't like the video,
I still love you!